You can't even see out these fucking windows. Car hater here. Oh my god. You know what? I have no time, so we're gonna go car hater live here for Friday.
2.5%.
Wait, today's Thursday, right? Yeah.
Thursday.
Anyway, you can't even see out these fucking windows.
It's great.
Sir, you're not even fucking Dominican. What the fuck is
the wife
this?
is.
Sir, she ain't no fucking Dominican.
Nah, her mom is
Sir,
Dominican.
sir, please. She is not fucking Dominican. You can't even see in this fucking bullshit Odyssey. Sir, how many miles on this fucking thing?
I think like 137.
Sir, go. What are you doing? Sir, what are you, an Uber driver?
I don't know where I'm going.
How much you paid for this fucking thing?
$300, sir.
That's actually a good deal, sir. $300, I'll give it to you, sir.
I put
Has
this
a
radio
little
in.
has a little smell of oil or old oil.
You know what it is? I gotta
Yeah.
change the oil.
Anyway, it needs power steering pump. It needs motor mounts. But actually, you know what? For the money, I'm going to give him credit. I really don't think it's that bad, sir. Transmission mount, sir?
Transmission mount,
Sir.
sir.
Sir. This is better than your last Honda. Remember the one that needed a fucking tire like there was no tomorrow?
That car was destroyed.
Actually, I still think this is probably a better buy than Mike's car. His bullshit Escalade. So this is actually better.
Escalades are garbage.
Sir. Why is your
Electrical
Easy Pass
problems.
in the middle of the windshield, sir?
Isn't that where it's supposed to
No,
be?
sir. It could either be down on the bottom, over here.
I don't know.
Sir, that way. Sir, to the left, sir. Sir, you're a very nervous driver, I see.
Nah,
Hold
I
on, do
don't
me a
know
favor.
why.
Push on, come off the brake, and then go back on it. No. Pump them. Like boom, boom, boom.
Back brakes need to be done. The back rotors are done.
Ah, sir.
This van was parked for 9
Sir.
months.
Sir. The only thing about this van in 9 months is a new baby on the way, sir. That's what this fucking thing represents. Sir, so you have a suspended license is what you're telling me?
Yes, sir.
And you're driving?
So, Pennsylvania didn't suspend my license.
Sir, but you're in New York right now,
I can drive
sir.
in other states except for New York.
Sir, and that's where we're at.
So,
That makes no sense, sir. That's very silly.
I'm tired
Do you
of
see
being
the
robbed by New York.
Sir, no, sir. New York is tired of your bad driving habits. That's really what's
From
going
when I
on.
was 18.
Sir, you tell me you get no tickets, you got rid of all
I don't
that
get any
shit.
tickets.
Sir, you're 25 now, sir.
26.
Okay, and you're still a bad driver, sir.
I haven't had a ticket in years.
Sir, so how are you still paying for it then?
That's how I pay it every year. It's broken up into payments. My driving
How many
assessment-
fucking payments?
My driving assessment was like fucking $4,000.
What is a driving assessment?
That's basically.
This is
left or
so
right.
ghetto. Make a right.
Basically, in New York, for each point you get, there's $70 charged for each point on your license.
Okay,
So
so
27 points.
27 points.
27
Okay.
points times $70.
Okay, how much is that? I'm not a mathematician.
It's $18.90.
So, sir, where you come up with the 4Gs, sir?
Shit, it feels like it. I've been paying it every year,
Lies.
$325 every year.
So I don't understand, sir. What's the problem here, sir?
I got this year and next year, and then I'm done.
So, just to let everybody know, tints are illegal. Okay,
Not in Pennsylvania.
they're illegal in good old New York. They
But I
will
got
pull this
Pennsylvania
asshole over.
plates. I got
Sir,
Pennsylvania plates.
everybody knows assholes with Pennsylvania plates are just doing their shit out of state in a fucking
live in
address like you
Pennsylvania.
used to do before you moved out to that ghetto ass state. Okay,
It's a great state.
sir. Everybody
common.
knows the bullshit that people are just doing it to save on
No,
insurance.
they're doing North Carolina and New York now.
Well, whatever, sir. A lot of
North
people do the
Carolina and
PA
Texas.
bullshit. Sir, I could switch my car over to PA. The only good thing about PA is it's only got one license plate. You know? Even though
That's
I
not
only run
license
with one
plate, it's
license
ugly.
plate anyway, so fuck it. You know what I
don't
mean?
Get a ticket on the Porsche,
Sir,
license
sir,
plate,
sir,
not
sir.
even-
I'd rather just drive around with European plates, sir. I just don't give a fuck.
like
Sir, I don't get
transport.
any... Sir, my car just stays in the garage or it goes to... See, on Staten Island, you can just park in places. There's barely any street parking that you have to do, sir.
No, I almost went to the other house. I was on my way to the other house.
Sir. So anyway, I don't know. For $300, it's not bad. Sir, does the air conditioning work in this?
Of course, the AC heat. I got seat warmers and
I see
everything.
that, sir. You got a heated seat down there.
Yep.
Not a bad deal. What year is this Odyssey?
06.
Sir.
That's the training.
2000 Odyssey. 2006 Honda Odyssey EXL edition. This one has, of course, the moonroof, leather seats, some bullshit aftermarket radio. Sir,
put
there's the
that
gas station, sir. Don't be
I
afraid.
got gas on.
Oh, you got gas? How much gas did you get?
I put a put you under a hat.
Sir, why wouldn't you just fill it up? I don't
Because I get
understand.
gas in Jersey. Jersey's gas is cheaper.
Not barely anymore. It's really not
Where
so
I
different.
go, $2.35.
All right, so
Cheaper
guys,
than
I've
Phillips.
been promising that I'm going to do car haters for every Friday, and I just got to make content. I have to make content.
It's on the right.
This is my life. This is the bullshit. Yo, you guys got to fucking follow me. You got to make comments. You know, I don't know. I got so much to do. Follow me on Facebook, automotiveadbuilder.com, and also autoadbuilder.com or whatever on Instagram. Sir, there's the fucking restaurant. Where are you going? Sir.
So you've made this
Here's my
pizza
place, sir.
rich.
Sir, I've spent thousands of dollars in
You
this
should
place.
own this place right
Thousands
now.
of dollars, sir. Maybe I have a fucking a little piece of this. You never know. It's like the mob.